Hello, everybody. This is Bill. I wish you all a good day. I know there's tremendous fear in the market now. The U.S. had a massive drop last night. The high-frequency traders came in and short sold, most of the major stocks, especially the banks. Some of the money center banks were hit. However, even though there was a mass panic and fear selling, the major support on the weekly has held up quite well. So it appears that this bar was created to create as much fear as possible to wash out as many of the new players who come into the market. So this action last night shows that the Federal Reserve may come in again for quantitative easing, and the reason is that the first-time jobless claims went up much more than expected. It means more people are losing their jobs, so we may expect a very ugly unemployment number coming the first Friday of the next month. So based on that, I think we still hold steady with the shares that we're involved in, blue chip dividend shares, and we stick with consumer stocks, ones that have a moat around them, ones that are not exposed to exports, ones that have lots of cash on their balance sheets, low debts, and monopolies. And you know what shares I'm talking about. That's all I can say at this moment. But don't get caught up in all this fear. The KLSC was well supported this morning. It didn't go down much at all, considering the big drop on Wall Street. Now, even on the daily, you've got to look at the daily chart. The volume on last night's bar was relatively moderate volume. It was not high volume, so that means it was not climactic selling. It looks to me more like a test rather than a climax sort of bar. And it sold right into major support on the daily as well as the weekly. So I would say now might be a good opportunity to pick up shares that are good quality shares, but obviously you have to manage your risks.
Okay. All right. That was Bill. And how do you like it so far? Just want to see a couple of replies in here. Just say, do you like it? Yes or no, please. I appreciate that. So at least I know I'm not talking to to empty crowd here. We got a few people in here. They're already coming in now. 11:30. Malaysians are generally very late. Just type yes, you like it. No, I don't like it. Any feedback? Okay, I'll appreciate it. Give me some feedback here, people. Right? Right? Give. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can Hong like it? Good. All right. We're gonna keep okay, good. We got one or two more. I'd like to see one more, two more. Okay. Oh, we got a lot of new people in here. Tech Hop. Where are you from, Tech Hop? Can you tell me where you are, Mr. Low Tech Hop? Where are you from, Mr. Low? Can you tell me where you're from? Oh, from KL. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. All right. Okay, good from KL. Anybody else? Where are you from? Okay, what I want to do now is to move on to a very interesting mail. Let me just log in here first. While they come in. Before we get to our regular submit a chart for thing, I just want to look at a couple of things that I've got. One is actually a comment. Just switch this smaller one. Okay, it's a comment that I got recently. Pretty nice about how we look at stock. Bill, you will be interested in this. Bill, you haven't seen this, Bill. Look at this guy here, right? Right. I'll just read to you, Bill. He said, "Hi, Martin. I'm a ardent fan of yours. Been following your website for almost 1 year. You're definitely one of the best financial websites that I've seen in Malaysia. Please continue your fantastic work." This is quite good from a reader. Your title about looking for undervalued stock has caught my eye. Thanks for the list for the undervalued stock. Now, remember, this searching of this undervalued stock, you can actually pick it up from Equities Tracker, which is available for free in the Jupiter Securities. A bit more on that. If you'd like to know more, just send me an email to try to find out more. Those of you who have the equity tracker will know. As a matter of fact, Bill and myself, we will be attending that course, I think in the coming weeks, about equity tracker, how to look for undervalued stock. It's very similar to the meta stock course that we are doing, and we'll be doing one our master the market for some time in September. We're taking a break now. But back to the point in here, the criteria where he was looking for, and this is for this chap here, Sandy. He talks about selecting PE, which is below 7, okay, and a high dividend yield at least 4%, better than fixed deposit, and also holding cash, trading below NTA, that's of course below net tangible profit, and solid trend profit as well. Who doesn't like it? These 5 criteria. Now the problem is, you look for low PE, heavy in cash, and really trading is that seems to be a challenge, you know. I'm sure Bill will want to look for something like that, Bill, right? Net cash. So that's the whole point. He did talk about here FEMA. He wants me to look at the FEMA question. I will look at the chart FEMA. Well, that is my point here. It's very difficult to find stocks like this. And if you do find stocks like this, generally you may not heard of it before. Now, one good example was we did found one was actually ECS in Tasco. Right, Tasco we found it through help of Mr. Pong Peng Siu from Jupiter Securities, and as well as ECS, which is also from Mr. Pong. And we actually did a company visit for this two country, and we found out that PE at that time was so much lower. Now, unlike the big oil and gas, which is trading above 30 and 40, some even Facebook, right? We all remember Facebook was trading about 100 PE. So we want to look for those with trading PE. And to me, I will talk more about PE in one of the YouTube videos that I'll be producing today or perhaps next week. PE is actually kind of tied in a lot about the maturity or what we call the branding of the company. Maybe so for a company which is well branded and is well known, so you will see the PE generally will be around the 20 to 30. So those companies which is trading below 7 or 10, they don't have any branding. Mostly people even unheard of. Now, when will you hear of this company? It's generally going to rely on research houses like CIMB Research and all those big houses, newspapers are sending up, buy this company, you won't lose. And this is what's actually happening in here. Right. So net cash position, you also need a fundamental indicator to look for those. All right. Okay, I got a question here. Let me just pop this up a bit. I thought BSA do not use fundamental. Oh yes. BSA does not use fundamental. That is correct, Nick. Right. However, being fund manager, or in this case for Bill or mine, Bill also look at the fundamental of the company. Now, if you are trading, you can look at it from a BSA standpoint. But over the years, for our consistency of result, we have to combine technical, which in this case will be the BSA as well as fundamental. Remember, very important, fundamental eventually will drive the stock prices. Because the stock prices are affected by the EPS, in this case, the earnings per share. However, we want to use BSA, part of our technical, to see accumulation by smart money and insiders. That is one of the fundamental things. And when you combine these two powerful factors, the BSA and the fundamental, it's hard to go wrong. Alright, Nick, hope I answer your question. Oh, my mic is very soft. I'm very sorry for that, so I'll speak up. Okay, has the webinar seminar looking back at the blank screen with the voice in the background? Oh, really? Okay, let me just see that. Let me just bring this up again. Okay. Oh, sorry. The screen was blank. Okay. Okay, good. Thank you. The screen was blank in here. Now you can see it, right? But it's okay. I've done some video recording. You can actually watch it from there for the missing side of it. Very sorry for that one. Can you all see now? Because that's what I want to get a feedback. Was this a blank screen? Okay. So you can see in here. Okay. Let me see. Yes. All right. Good. Okay. So back to the chart Bill was talking about right here. Just push it back here, right? Bill was talking about here just now about this sell-off that you see in the US Dow Jones in here. You do see the volume that we have here is substantially lower than what we saw in here. The first time it broke up 12,600 levels here. Alright. So one of the things I want to look at for that. Oh, another thing for the premium subscriber, again, I just want to show you this. I've started a forum now. Two things I've started in here. Okay, this will be interest to Bill to take notice here. Now, what I have here, I have the foreign funds flows, okay, which is the positive side in here that you see on the left hand side. that denotes foreign funds are buying. And on the bottom, we have the VSA chart that I create for the KLFC. And you will see that we have, this is the breakout in here, another breakout, 2-bar reversal here, a final breakout. And now we have a caution, a possible sign of weakness coming in for the VSA. So that's the benefit for all our subscribers who comes and read in our KLCI chart as well. They will now pay notice of the foreign funds in here. If you want to know about the foreign funds, so I did a video on that somewhere in here. You can watch out for it, or you can go to my channel. Just go on the right hand side, look for a video how to use the daily flow for volume. The VSA here is pretty much self-explanatory. If you've been following this website, you'll be able to see. That's one thing. Now, second thing is also the forum that I've created. Currently, I have only allowed people with who is a past premium subscriber as well as current subscriber to log into this and able to contribute to the forum. The forum that I had, the last experience that I had with the forum was that there were a lot of people trying to sell things which is not related to investing, like they're trying to sell Vegra pills and trying to sell a lot of funny things. So that is why I am quite restrictive about who user comes to me. If you are like subscriber, you probably can't register. If you really want to use the forum, send me an email, say that you want to be contribute to the forum or whatsoever, and I create an account for you, because I need to know who goes into the forum and what you write. Now, this is a new thing. For example, we have news and announcement. We got general discussion on trading, general discussion on VSA in Malaysia, master the market. These are the graduate for fuel and marketing seminar and courses. And if you join, maybe you can introduce yourself, what kind of portfolio you're holding, if you want to tell the people in here, as well as links and resources. I think I did post it up, and any other discussions in stock trading, investment, and also question, comments, and suggestions. So those are two new things that I put in. Okay, another question is here. Okay, let me just pull this up a bit. Okay, Martin, can you check? Oh, okay, is my mic here? Someone else seems to come in once in a while. Okay, let me just check my mic here. Okay, is it? How's the mic now? Is it? I think it's better now, right? You can hear me much better now. Okay, good. All right, good. I can hear some of the people in here. So that has been the case here. Okay. Yes, finally better. Yes, the mic is much better. Thank you for that. Okay. You probably heard what I've just said. People are still coming in. All right. Okay. I can hear people laughing in the background too. Okay. They have new people. Hi, Tech. Good to see you around, Tech. Very good support. Okay. Thanks a lot, Tech. Good support. We're checking the mics. Okay. We have one here, Valapatio. Where are you from, Valapa? You're new, right? Where are you from? Could you tell me where you're from? Valapatio. Right, where are you from? I'd like to know where you're coming from, where you're listening from. Okay. Okay, hi Stephen, good to see you, Stephen. Okay, where are you from? Alright, okay.